You already know that with me, there's no gatekeeping. So I discovered this Canva feature and I thought to share it. So Canva has now made it so easy for you to be able to have captions for your designs. What do I mean? So let's say I want to share this design to Instagram or LinkedIn. I can easily use AI to generate a caption. So instead of struggling to find caption for this design, all I just need to do is to ask Canva AI to generate a caption for me. Let me demonstrate what I mean. So this post, I want to share it on LinkedIn. I'll go to share and scroll down to find LinkedIn. So I'll be sharing it directly from Canva to LinkedIn. I'll click on LinkedIn. And I want to share it on T-Smart. I don't want to share it on my personal page, so I'm just going to select T-Smart. That's where I want to share it. And here you have it. So here I can click on generate caption, and Canva AI will generate caption based on this particular design. So once I click on generate caption, it will generate the caption for me. And if I'm okay with the caption it generated, I'll click on insert and the caption will be here. Let me do a little adjustment. I like for this to be a separate paragraph. This one as well. All right, so everything here is okay with me. If I don't want this, if I don't like this, of course, I can click on edit and then it will regenerate for me. If I click on edit, I can tell it to shorten it. I can tell it to make it more fun. I can tell it to use my brand voice to, generate the caption. But let's just go ahead to publish this. Already I'm logged in and I'll click on. So if you are using this for the first time, of course, you are expected to connect your Canva to that platform, the platform you want to share on. So you should connect the both so that you'll be able to share directly from Canva to that platform. So I will go ahead and click on publish now. And let's give it a little time to publish. So the content has been published. Let me check it out. I'll click on check it out and let's see what we have. So there you have it. With ease. I just so loved it. When I discovered this, I was like, oh, I know Canva always blows my mind, but this is way too much. Now you don't have to, you don't have to struggle to, think of caption for your design. Once you have your design ready, Canva AI will generate the caption for you. I hope you found value in this tutorial. If you did, give me a like. If you have a question, of course, leave a comment with your question. I will be there to answer. And with that, I think it's a goodbye from here. And see you some other time in my next post.